Gonna make a quick video about locking resources, and now that I think about it, the reason why the key vault was familiar to me and I thought I already made a video was because uh, I attended the AZ 900 virtual event, and they went over that, and they went over some of the stuff I'm going to show now of locking resources and management groups. And anyway, so I already have I just deployed a virtual machine, so let's go to it. And you go down to locks, and there's two different types of locks, but you could also, for locks, you could do it on a resource level. So this will add a lock to the virtual machine. You could do it on the resource group level, so it'll put a lock on the resource group, and then it'll lock all the resources in it. And then subscription, so following the hierarchy, it'll lock the subscription, which means it affects all the resource groups in that subscription, which means it affects all the resources in that subscription. So anyway, we'll just do it on the resource level. Give it a lock name of read only, whatever you want to call it. And the two types of locks is read only, which means when you're interacting with your resource, you can't change anything about it. You can just read whatever services it has. And delete, it will be, you can't delete it, the resource. So I'll show you both. So read only, and I'll just create both at the same time. Delete. Okay. So let's say like we go to, let's try to change the size of the virtual machine. So right now we're B1. If I click B2 or DS2, I try to resize it. It's gonna say I failed to resize. Please remove lock and try again. Okay. Fine. Now let's just try to delete this virtual machine. And now it says you can't delete, remove the lock and try again. So I'm gonna remove both. Well, let me remove one at a time. So now we'll try to resize it. And it can, because we took off the read only. And now let's take off the cannot delete one. And now let's delete this. And now it's doing it. And that's how to lock your resources.